This video we are going to introduce how to install our wall-mounted battery on the wall.
Yes.
Okay, now for our audience and customers, you may see there are already some screws installed inside the wall. Okay, this is the expansion screws that will be coming with our wall-mounted battery. And we will offer you a drawing of the specific point of each expansion screws. So what you guys need to do is drill holes according to our drawing, so you can confirm the place of each expansion screw, just like this.
How many distance for this slide, for this screw?
You mean the distance?
Yes.
We will offer a drawing for our customers. What our customer needs to do is to drill the hole according to our drawing.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so you will notice that it's already one of the brackets installed with the expansion screws. So how about we install another one?
Okay, to read this one.
Okay, now just make sure you may notice that the bracket is like this. There's a part that towards up. Okay, just make sure this part is towards up as well. And then just insert the bracket inside the holes and connect with go through all of these expansion screws. Okay, now we are going to okay, firstly you need to place this screw plate. Secondly is the screw ring. And finally is the screw nut. The screw plate, the screw ring, and the screw nut. Okay, so once the expansion screw have contact with the screw nuts, we will going to use the screwdriver, the screw nut driver, to tie them up. Okay. Okay.
Now how to make sure all of them is okay now?
Okay, this is a good question. Once we finish the tighten up of each expansion screws, you need to just like this and use your weight to lift it up. If you can't feel it's moving, that means the wall bracket is already fixed.
Okay.
Okay, now these two brackets is already fixed.
Okay.
Now we are going to
next,
install the power wall battery. Let's make sure it's fixed. Okay, now we are going to lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is very fast and simple. And please have a closer look here. Yes, you may notice this is how the wall battery to connect with the wall bracket. Right? You may notice this is how they connect. So once the bracket is connected with the battery, like this, the battery is finished the installation.
Oh, nice. Already finished at the moment?
Yes, it's already finished.